Today we're visiting one of our TMG-AB72 rotary brooms. Here in Richmond, British Columbia, this family-run winery and wedding venue is spring cleaning for the coming summer events. The TMG-AB72 is a 72-inch wide skid steer angle rotary broom. It features an Eaton bi-directional direct drive hydraulic motor, and this powers the 8-inch core and its 27-inch diameter brush with 41 polywire bristle wafers. The Eaton hydraulic motor has a protection guard and is routed through a case drain, releasing extra pressure and extending motor life. The AB72 is built with a floating linkage, which allows the broom to maintain full contact with any surface, and a pin lock hinge with 30 degrees of rotation either side of center, sending dirt and debris exactly where you need it. This product is backed with a 1-year manufacturer warranty, customer support, and spare parts. Headquartered in Vancouver, British Columbia, we are proud to provide free shipping to most locations in Canada and the USA Lower 48. TMG Industrial. Here to help you get work done.